Welcome to Azalea Aviation Spyder Engine Workshop. We invite you all to come and learn about the Corvair engine. This is the good opportunity to know people and learn our Spyder engine.
Thank you, Kim. Yes, as Kim said, this is a great opportunity for you to come and learn more about the Corvair conversion that we do here at Azalea Aviation. Next to us is a mock-up of our Spyder engine. If you come to our workshops, you will learn how to clean, inspect, assemble, and test run an engine that you have built or one of our engines in accordance to the manuals and procedures that we have developed here at Azalea Aviation. We look forward to seeing you here this November with an attitude of wanting to come and learn, to get to meet people, and to start to learn how to fulfill your aviation dreams. We hope that we can be a small part of helping you accomplish those goals. Thank you.